So as you're watching this, it is surgery day for Cameron McAdoo. Obviously, if you watched the Daytona Supercross race, you noticed he wasn't there in the main event, but he was there in the heat races. And well, if you watch the after race show, Mitch Payton himself even said, "Nope, he's done. His knee was looser and more swollen, and he's going to be having surgery." And as of I'm watching this today, on his Instagram, Cameron went out and posted his own thing, which if you want to watch the whole post of his, it's at the very end of this video. So watch the whole thing and then watch that. But he says, his knee just, or his leg, I guess, in total, didn't feel nearly the strength that he needed to race at the highest level. And it's true, because obviously you need your legs to hold the bike through corners and just use it as another extension of your body. Like you can't do it with just your arms. And if it's one side of your body is weaker than the other, obviously you're going to be compensating, and it's not exactly a safe thing. And that's even what he said. He didn't feel like that he was being safe to himself, to the people around him, to, have the strength or the control that you need to race at the highest level and the speed that they are, which, one, good for him for actually acknowledging that and saying, hey, I could push through, I could race the main, and I could do the rest of the season, but who knows, if something bad is going to happen, if I have a crash that takes somebody else out, and then you're responsible, or, in your head you're responsible for somebody else's injuries and pain. So good for him. I mean, obviously he could, like, he's been, well, I guess you got a double-edged sword because he's been injured this whole season. So technically the chance has been there since race one, but who knows? It might not have been as bad as it was now or at Daytona as it was, when he started racing. Obviously, racing is not an easy sport. Let's put it that way. There's going to be a lot of wear and tear on your body just from doing it and training, and who knows how much of that he was actually doing with the injury going in. But I don't know. I mean, obviously, that is what, 5 out of 6 or 6 out of 7 Kawasaki racers that are seriously injured and possibly seriously injured and or out for the season, and it sucks. I mean, obviously is a title contender at any point any year, considering, I mean, he comes in with an ACL injury and gets a podium in his first race. Like, if he's healthy, he should be a title contender. So, I mean, the only good thing you can say is now he can have this knee fixed. You're going to have the healing time, and then getting back to cardio training, whatever time. Who knows? He could be in for some part of outdoors. I mean, obviously, he's out of that championship too. Even if you miss 2 or 3 races, you're done. And it sucks because obviously you never want to see anybody out. You never want to see anybody injured. And I think he's, correct me if I'm wrong, 27 or something like that. So he's not exactly young. He needs to start either winning and or move up and, get that part of the career going. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think this is a good idea, bad idea? Should he have done it at the beginning of the season and just scrap the whole year? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.
Hey everyone, I wanted to jump on here and give you guys an update. As you all know, I didn't race the main event in Daytona last weekend. After practice and after the heat race, there was just a few moments on track that really made me realize that I was very low on strength with my leg, and obviously my safety and all the other riders on the track safety is the most important thing. And for me to race at the highest level, it had become just not quite safe yet, we felt. And so the team and I came together and we made the decision to go get my knee fixed up. As you guys all know, that was a really tough decision for me. I'm always want to be out on the track and trying my hardest. So that was tough, but it was just time. So this week I have surgery scheduled for Thursday. Looking forward to going in and getting fixed up, and I'll keep you guys all updated with my recovery process and keep you in the loop, and just looking forward to getting healthy and being back out there. So I really appreciate everyone's support with this journey and all your guys' support always. So see you guys out there soon.